Alright guys, we're back. And it all rolls downhill from here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the little bell icon there right beside of it. You guys can ride with us every time we ride. Hang tight. Here we go. I love camera angles. How they don't show. This hill is, dude, it's almost straight up and down. It'd be a challenge to come up, I can tell you that much. It'd definitely be an adrenaline pumper. Yeah, let it roll. Go, 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 go. Here we go. Look out now. Dun, 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 dun. Take off, brother, and I'll video you. You want to go up it?
Hey, I'll do it first if you'll do it.
You going up it? All right, I'll video you guys. Hang tight, guys. A couple of them want to go back up. Sun is
Ready?
Yep, hit her, Big Papa. Oh, grind them till you find them. Gravy. That takes us back up to where we were. Yeah, you're good. Come on back. Come on back. That's good. You trying to two-wheel it, aren't you?
Did you go up in four-wheel?
He went up in four-wheel drive, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you belly up right there on that knoll. That's why you need your four-wheel drive to help pull you. Unless you can get a real hard run at it. There you go. Any other takers? Any other undertakers? Get him, Johnny. Hey, how you like MHTRs, Big Daddy?
They're a great tire. They pulled up that hill much better than I expected.
to do it in two-wheel drive.
I seen that. Yep, I seen that.
Hey, nothing beats a try like a failure. Hey, Mikey, he likes it. Yeah, they got her done. These boys are like bulldozers.
Well, there's a big log. We can cut that log down and keep going. Try it. But there's a big one across the trail, right? No, you can't go left. You keep going straight up there, but there's a big log up there about that all the way across. Oh.
Tally ho.
Howdy ho, baby. Oh. Hey, listen, I didn't know we had any state road projects out here today, but you've done pretty good, buddy.
Man,
I'm glad you wore that so we can see you. You're the great director.
Traffic's starting to
Is it starting to roll?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Finish your speech.
Well, I got it rolling right now. Well, hold on. Okay, we good? All right, go ahead and come on through, old buddy. I don't know what the guy in the red buggy's waiting on behind you.
I do.
What is his problem? Oh, he ain't got a driveway. He ain't got a driver. That's Pee-wee. He thinks it's Pee-wee's Playhouse or something. you're good. Come on.
I don't see where they're going.
Where's John?
Probably down another road.
Yeah, two-wheel drive with the big Zillas. You going? Hey, where you going? Hit it, Rick. Hit it, old buddy. Yep, sure are.
Boys, OEMs.
Well, fellers, she popped out. Yep, which they all are loose like that after mileage, but if you can look up in here, there's a gap I can slide my whole finger back up in there. This is the second time. It happened.
Really?
Did it happen on the last ride?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep. Yes, it did.
Yep, sure did. So hang tight, fellas. We're gonna
Boy,
do a
there's
trail side mechanic work.
big difference there. There it is.
All right.
All right, fellas, we're back. I know you hear a different voice, but Dennis's axles come out once again.
Time to lay down and enjoy
Once
the journey.
again,
We're gonna do some.
we're gonna enjoy the journey, guys. Is what
we're
we're
gonna
gonna
enjoy
do.
the journey. You can see that he's got it all jacked up here on this tree.
Too bad you just didn't come out of the creek. And have it
I know, right?
Yeah.
Why did this
Yeah.
happen coming out of the creek instead of in a mud hole that looked like concrete?
It's called a crick.
Crick instead of
Crick,
coming out of the
crick.
crick.
Creek John.
Crick.
It's been logged up around the bend and all that.
Was y'all in the mud last time?
No. Well,
No. Well,
no,
we just come
not,
through that
we
big
just
mud
come
hole.
through
Yeah.
a mud hole.
Come through a big old mud hole. Yeah.
Yep.
Hey, and we come up on another mud hole, and Pee Wee got scared and threw
Pee
it
Wee
out.
got scared and threw it out. Said, "I'm not going through that." Y'all are
That's
crazy.
how he gets out of stuff, ain't it?
Yeah,
He said, watch this, I'll just throw axle.
What's this?
kind of like the old Hosh throwing a shoe.
Uh-huh.
This shouldn't take long. He just did this the other day.
Well, yeah. Needle. Who's got the needle nose pliers?
Needle nose. Who's in charge of the needle
I,
nose?
I got needle nose, but do I need to get him? John, you got a set?
You need my crescent wrench.
I got needle nose.
I got my leather one.
Did you bring a big wrench this time?
I didn't bring nothing.
your-
I didn't
for
even
your
wash
net?
my buggy before I come.
No.
That's why I popped out, because I didn't clean it.
No needle nose, a Leatherman. Anybody got a Leatherman?
I got my
Yeah,
leather
that's all I need. I just need to take the cotter pin out.
one. All right.
Okay, folks. Now he's going to be taking the cotter pin out.
Is that a welcome back, Potter?
Welcome back, welcome back,
That was a good
welcome
show,
back.
You might recognize this guy right here doing the work as the
We
the
are
lead,
from we are from Pee Wee's Garage.
the lead rider from Razor Rocks in West Virginia.
West by Gosh, Virginia.
Yes.
He's got more mechanical experience than all of us.
Oh, without a
From
doubt.
West
like the
Virginia.
state road here.
Oh, I need your state road. Yeah, stop traffic, will you? Don't forget to stop traffic for me, Dan.
State road.
Oh yeah, here's the state road guy
State road guy.
holding that traffic.
No traffic through here.
There's Bulldozer right there. Wave Bulldozer. What's up, buddy?
Dozer, man. All right, now
Hey, do you need
who
my
wants,
sock?
who wants to
I
hold
need my-
these?
See,
You gotta be
my trick.
responsible, because I'm gonna take them off your buggy if you lose it.
They won't fit.
Oh, they'll fit. Same size bolt, brother.
We'll take a hammer to
Mine's
The
3/4.
trail. Oh,
Greg's on the
your
thing
new
now.
one is because you put what you call it to it. Your lug nut standard from the factory are the same as this.
No,
All the trails are.
Yeah.
Should be.
sorry. Not 9/16.
Well,
11/16. I'm sorry.
Your lug nut?
Yep.
That's it. Are we sure they're not metric?
They're metric. Mine are.
They are.
Well, I used
17.
11/16
No, this-
sock.
This is actually I use 9/16 all the time, but this is a 14.
Yeah.
That's garage talk, people. In case you didn't notice, garage talk.
I don't
Cotter-
use I don't
Cotter
use
pins
I don't
and
use
lug
metric on
nuts
this at home.
and 9/34s
9/16s
and
is what I always
9/16, 11/18s. And
11/18.
that's all. That's all garage talk right there.
Metric.
11/8.
17, 16.
Metric.
17/16. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. Any of y'all got a 17/16 socket? We can take that.
Yeah,
Got
I
it.
got one in my
Hub
back
bolt off.
pocket.
Got it back in the garage. Got back in the garage.
Oh, there we are, down to the
There goes the tire.
There goes the
Lose
tire.
the tar.
And we're not going after it.
All right, pause it. Just don't.
How do
just
you
don't.
pause it?
Right, take your sunglasses off so you don't hit the wrong button.
Is it equal sign?
Hit the equals.
Okay, guys, we're back. Got the tire off. We're
Taking
we're
the wheel spacer off.
taking the wheel spacer off. We're enjoying the journey.
We're enjoying the journey.
As you can see,
All right,
we are thousands of miles from civilization.
thousands.
Thousands. We're out here in the middle of nowhere. Grizzly bears, everything.
In
Tanker come in.
1814,
Tigers.
we took a little
Had a
trip.
tanker come in, bring us gas.
We had an axle come out on our little trip.
You need a little.
We didn't bring the right tools, but we're gonna make it work. Cause we drive a Popo Polaris, and we like to work on them all the time. For all you Yama dogs, see, y'all don't have to do this because you never take it out of the garage. Oh, I didn't mean to say that on film. Sorry, sorry guys.
Hey, Dennis, why don't you take care of the work? I'll do the jokes, okay?
Okay, buddy.
All right,
Sorry.
buddy.
Sorry, man.
All right.
Sorry. You're slacking.
So what
I
are you
don't hear
doing now? You got to the cotter pin yet?
No, not yet. We're still
That's
pulling
what I
off
want to
the-
see.
You want to see the color?
I never even heard of a cotter pin till today.
Well, it's what you put in your hair.
Oh,
Oh, I mean, when you have hair.
yeah.
You want to put? I mean, you don't want to put. Where's Greg? He's the one that's got all the
He's
hair.
taking a nap.
Well, we fired our guns, and the British kept a coming.
Yeah, gotcha.
Well, there wasn't not as many as there was a while ago.
I've been missing my pocket this whole
Fired
time.
once more, and they began to run
He's a singer too. You guys are
down the
getting,
Mississippi to the Gulf of Mexico.
This
That's a
is going
long
out.
ride from here, boys.
this is going out nationwide,
That's
folks.
right, nationwide. We're
Nation.
live. We're live on YouTube.
Nationwide.
Nationwide is on your side. Now listen, I'm the only singer here.
I'm
Hush.
sorry.
Okay. We can't share. I cannot share the stage and the trail with everybody.
Over here we got
bad as you'd
the
like
bulldozer
to, right?
fixing
Bad as
his
I'd like to.
bandages. He rammed a steak knife through his thumb last night,
He was eating a big ribeye.
cutting a pork chop.
Cutting the pork chop.
There you go. Look at him.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Now we're
Four
down to the
stitches.
cotter
You got
pin.
4, right?
4 stitches.
You got 4 in your hand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, in my pocket.
Okay,
4 in
you
your
got 4
pocket.
in one and 4 in the other,
Here comes
right?
the cotter
I
pin.
got all 8 and 1.
Look at this, boys. Look at that.
Comes
Would you
the
look at
cotter
that?
Pin.
Handy
see?
dandy Leatherman.
Yes, you can't go
Boys,
without a leather.
that's right.
I've carried that for 20 years.
It don't get any better than this.
Just so y'all know, I think I have the solution for Pee Wee's problem.
What's that, babe? Oh, no, it happens on the new ones, too. Trust me.
Hey,
It
When they
does.
get that many miles,
I
right?
think this is the solution.
Well-
Hey, this is the end to Pee Wee's problem.
There you go.
All right, Johnny. We need the big crescent.
The judge is going to make judgment.
Johnny.
Hey, did you bring that big
Hey,
crescent?
Greg, you need to hush. We're in the garage here.
Just as if you heard that shot this morning that took down that and put that Ford out of its
Mm-hmm.
Hey, can you hand us that crescent?
Big
wrench?
Where's that big
Oh,
crescent?
man.
Look at that
Look
right
at
here,
that.
boys.
Right on the ball.
You don't need a socket when you got a big crescent wrench.
Yes.
This is, you heard a monkey wrench? Well, the monkey's working with it.
And there's
But,
the wrench.
and there's the wrench. Y'all figure out the
Darren,
rest.
did you make it in 2-wheel drive?
Yeah, he sure did. Them Zillas chugged him all the way to the top.
What happened to you then?
Mount Zillas. Well, I threw an axle. Kind of like,
Or after, or during?
no, during. I had 2-wheel drive at first.
Before.
But, you know, y'all done wallered the hole out so bad, Pee Wee couldn't make it.
I didn't know.
Well, maybe we should just stay on the gravel road from now on, Pee
That's what I
Wee.
was thinking.
All right, folks, we're going to take a little break here while he tries to get this
Oh, no, you got film. You're taking this off.
whatever
Get that
off.
off of it.
The con-
What is that?
700.
All right, we're back.
Son, look at them guns.
Look at them
John
guns.
brought his gun out a while ago, but, you know, hey, this is what happens. When you
So
bring
we're still
out the big
we're
guns.
still 29 minutes into this.
Oh,
Danny, you want me to turn that steering wheel? Or are you ready for that?
great. Oh, no. We got to take,
Oh, you good?
Tie rod
we
loose.
got to take the caliper.
Caliber off.
Yeah. Oh, that's what's wrong with caliper bolts are gone. No, we didn't do that. Last time we just pulled that up and dropped this whole thing.
You just took one of the ball joints loose.
Yeah.
The top one, I think it was.
Yeah.
What size is that?
It's a 1/2 inch. 13.
13?
Yep. Should be a 13. I don't think it's a 12. Should be a 13. No, that's too small.
That's too small.
I'll tell you that.
Well, fine.
Rick, that's too small.
I've got a metric wrench set there.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me a 13 or a 1/2 inch, either one.
I got metric wrenches in there.
Wrench,
They're
wrench?
studies.
Wrench, wrench? Where, right?
14.
Where do you got those at, Johnny?
They're in the bottom of the box where Rick's hands at.
I'm in there, buddy.
Let's pull this out.
Hey,
15.
Hold on.
12.
1/2 inch, right here.
All right, he's got her.
right,
Dennis,
now.
you want to say anything? You're live now.
Well,
Say something good.
say something good. I love the Lord, and it don't make any difference about anything else.
There you go.
There we go. How's that work for you?
Now what are you looking for?
A 1/2 inch or a 13 socket.
Yeah.
I thought my tool man was getting them for me.
Well, I thought so too.
My
till
tool man, he must have retired.
No, you
13. Look
grabbed
at that.
his stuff. And I
Would
thought
you
had
look
it.
at this? Just look at it, boys. I just want to look at it. Wow, wow, wow.
You're nuts.
Would
I'm
you
not
look
sure
at
what
it?
that was reference to, but
Ed Bassmaster, man, he's the man. You never watched Ed Bassmaster?
what are you doing now, Dennis?
We are taking the ball joint pinch bolt out.
Ball joint
Pinch bolt.
bolt is coming out
Call it pinch bolt.
at
Mike.
31:27 into the video.
31:27. I hope it ain't that long.
It is.
Somebody get the big hammer.
It ain't 31 minutes. Couldn't be. Is it 31 minutes?
Probably the whole
Is
thing.
it really? I'm gonna edit some of that, man. People, they'll be like, "Holy cow! I didn't sign up for an automotive class." Ooh, 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 ooh.
All right, guys, we'll take another break here in the action while we
Action
get
Jackson.
ready to
Action Jackson.
Lose
fix
it.
this axle.
I'm not gonna lose it.
Okay, guys, we're back live.
Live.
What he just did was, or what he's trying to do is,
Tell him, Mike.
that's a cue for you to jump in there.
Trying to pull it.
Pull the axle out
Pull the axle out
so we can put it back in.
so we can put it back in.
We ain't got nothing else to do.
No, we don't. When we come out, this is how we learn how to work on our buggies. They call me like, Pee Wee will break down. Let's call Dennis. We need to learn something today. Man, I'm gonna have grease all over my really good gloves. Now I gotta use Dawn dishwashing liquid to get it
Yeah.
out.
Or tornado.
Actually, it might have just went back in. Where's the nut? Give me that nut.
Which one?
Give me the castle nut. Please. I don't like
If you're
doing
gonna hammer it, turn it around.
I don't like doing what I'm
You know what?
well, I'm just gonna well I can, but
It keeps from messing up the.
the castle.
Yes.
It keeps the princess and the castle and the king
Yes.
in the kingdom.